I've only been home for a couple of days from Shenandoah National Park, and I'm definitely getting a little bit restless already, so I'm just gonna head to West Virginia, I think. Knock out state number 2, probably go to the New River Gorge National Park. I think it's one of the newer national parks in the country, so that should be awesome. Definitely cannot wait. Well, I figured I'd just drive through Harrisonburg considering it's right on the way to where I'm going, so just drove through JMU a little bit. But I think I'm going to head to Reddish Knob, actually. I've been there a couple of times. I'm thinking I might be able to fly my drone there maybe if it's not too windy, because I can't in New River Gorge, so I'm trying to think of a place to fly my drone. Alright, I'm in George Washington National Forest now, which is where Reddish Knob is, and I'm gonna start winding my way up the mountain. It should be a pretty cool drive. I found this campsite right outside of the mountains just up there, and it's just outside of the state forest area, I think. And it's really tempting to just stay here because it's like 5 o'clock and I won't get to New River Gorge until like 7 or 7:30 maybe. I could just pull up here and chill and watch the sunset and sunrise on Reddish Knob, or I could just make my way to New River Gorge. Decisions. I'm not sure what to do. I don't know. Might as well just move on. Let's move on. Let's go. Alright, after a small wild goose chase, we are arriving at Grandview Sandbar Campground. I think it's Glade Creek and Grandview. I think, from what I can tell, they're close to each other or the same thing or something. I'm not exactly sure yet. Yeah, I mean, I'm fine just making dinner and making camp, putting my tent on my truck and heading to bed and waking up in the morning. That's fine with me. I mean, I got nothing else to do, so I've kind of enjoyed the drive around. In the dark, I accidentally pulled into someone's farm. I tried to drive through it, but their gate was closed, so it was me just driving on their property, and then I pulled out, and they're just on their front step, and I like waved to them, like, sorry. Whatever. Grandview Sandbar. I'm just gonna take this and see where it takes me to. Another night of lovely Mexican style adobo rice and chicken. Gotta love it.